So it says Artist Point Lower Falls. Guess we're going to the waterfall. We can't find any parking. All we found is just lots of cars and trucks. Never mind. We found a parking spot. Look at all those colors: red, black, orange, yellow, white, brown. So sick. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at that. It is amazing. So beautiful. This is beautiful.
But they're so visible.
Where's the red light? It's so much darker now. Everyone, have you guys ever seen a van like this? If you have, I don't know what they do with it, but how do they separate the roof though? I don't know. I'm just learning. Oh well. And look at my angry brother. He's just raging over a GoPro that I didn't give to him. I couldn't just walk it.
At the side.
It's a good student to be cutting the tree.
And అవన్నీ వ్యూస్ చూసొచ్చాను.
Okay.
కూర్చోవద్దు.
So why are you so scared?
నువ్వు కోతీవి కదా అందుకని స్కేర్డ్.
Does it mean you don't care about my brother?
Peter! Varun, stay back! చాలా భయం ఉందని అది.
I can feel the water all the way from my
భయం వేస్తుంది నాకు.
Okay, now it smells very bad here. It smells so much like sulfur. I can't even breathe here.